Hi guys, OMG. I have been getting in order after order after order, and then I kind of stacked a bunch of them away because like 3 came in one from Temu. This is a Temu haul part 1 because there's going to be more than one part. It's ridiculously a lot. These are 8 different orders. So, what did I do today? Well, I went through and found the prices and pictures of things and that I could, and ask me if you want a link. I am not going to try to do all the links to this because it's so huge. I've been at this for a couple hours or more, so just saying. If there's something you want a link for, let me know in the comment below and I will do my best to get it to you. Okay, so we're going to start with stamps. I tried to organize it at least. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you say order? Yes, we can. I'm up in my craft room tonight this time. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I just love that bird. Oh, there you go. Even if I turn it over the right way, it's even better. $2.99. I mean, the prices obviously are better than what you would pay retail, but they're higher than they used to be. Let's put it that way. But then, you know, everything is. So there you go. Okay, I did get a house mouse. I mean, most of this stuff is rip-offs. I know that, and you know that. But I think I spent enough that I could. Anyway. Friends make the world beautiful. I just don't really want to hear about, oh my God. Anyway. I don't think I have this one. So what I do is I clip and copy off of the idea sheets that they come with, the inspiration that comes with the stamp on Temu. Or the item, and then I clip and copy, put it on a Google Doc, resize it, and then this way I see it and I will, go, oh, I can do that with it. This obviously is House Mouse. It says, friends make the world beautiful, but some of the stuff you get, it's like, okay, what was that? Why did I get that? This is a gorgeous embossing folder, and you get to cut out the die cut, so you'd run it through once for the background and then the second time to do the die cut part, I would imagine. And there, so see, I have the sending hugs is what they put on there, and the coloring sheet. So I remember $5.89, but that's really not, that's a 3D embossing folder. Listen to me reasoning it out with matching dies. So okay, I have wax melts, but you know, this looked like, I think this would be cool. I feel like I might already own this one. It's $2.32, and that's before all my, you go back and you do the adjusting price, which keeps me going. So they were late on one of my orders because they put it all in one big giant bag. So anyway, there's that. I thought that was super. They're little wax melt dies. I need to get going on this one because it's Easter. Look at the little bunny. You know, me and my bunny butts. So, again, that shows, and then I wrote the price, $4.83. Been at this a lot today. Went for a walk. Emma is beyond excited. They're going to Hawaii, so that was a surprise to her. They just told her like a few days ago. So, and I said, honey, because she called me the other day, I'm going to Hawaii, and I was so excited for her. She goes, I already knew. And she goes, how? But you were so excited. I said, because I'm excited for you, and I'm a good actress. Anyway, you know me and my rain boots, and look at these flowers. So but she goes, Grandma, it takes us 5 hours or more to get there. I said, oh, honey, I'm not going to feel sorry for you. You're going to Hawaii. This one, I liked the shape of these arch dies. So there's a picture of inspiration picture, $4.69. Then I love this chevron, and I think, yeah, you clip it apart. So you clip apart, it looks like. I'm just now noticing this. So these, all the ones that are the same, stay together, and then you clip these, but you don't have to. But I love this look. What did Kim pay for that? $4.55. Who knows what it is now? Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look at all these flowers. Oh, God. $5.43. I have wanted to make a waterfall thing for cards and things and journals, but I am not able to do it. So I'm hoping I can figure this out. I don't know. If you know how to do a waterfall or know of a good video tutorial, let me know. Because I still don't get it, even though I have this. I think you loop this through. I don't know. But for 411, I'll give it a go. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. This is one of my new. Look at the frog in the window. Can you guys see that? Okay, I need to sit up higher. $3.89. So you get the window box. Sorry, the little toadstool mushrooms and a daisy. Is that not the cutest? Look at that. So there's that one. And then I got this one, and I printed up different. Let me show you. There was a lot of pictures of finished cards on this one, so I printed them up. So here they did it with white and yellow, and then a gray background. Here is pink with a hot pink. Oop, jeez, this is a different setup for me. I got a different stand, too. I wanted one upstairs and one down. And there's Ladybug. Oh my gosh. So, I got that. Yes, I did. So I got new glasses. I'll show them in my next video where I'm not pointed down where you see my face. 505. I love that. That is really pretty. And the guy called and said they were ready. And I said, can I come down now? And he goes, come on down. Well, it's only like driving time, 3 minutes from my house, and I get there to the Pearl Vision, and he goes, I'm Kim, and he was with another customer. I was talking to another gal, and he goes, didn't I just hang up the phone on you? Did you run here or something? I said, kinda. I said I live really close. It was kind of funny. Can you say excited? So look at more birdhouses. My gosh, Kim. Let me take that out of there. So, yeah, let me show you with not on my face. So they turn a gray this time. They're smaller than my last ones, but the last ones I've had for 3 years, so I was ready for a change. It's like face jewelry, right? Okay, so here, look at all the, oh my gosh, you get a little fence. Look at all that. So here's my picture I printed up to go with it. There we go. So there's that. See, this is going to take me... I mean, this is just the dies. I haven't even done the stamps. Anyway, stencils. Oh, lordy. I need to stop because this is getting... I'm going crazy again. Okay. Then my little baby Vienna loves your kitties. So I'm going to make one of those for her. $2.73. And again, there's the picture. So like I said, let me know if you want the links. $3.28. I just thought this was cute for a little kid card or something, or a happy sunny day card. So I got that. It did not have a picture to go, just showed the dies, which they're kind of self-explanatory. No inspiration on this one. They weren't going to waste their time with that. That's $3.28. And then I thought this was gorgeous. It's like a slide. And so I cut out that. $3.65. Very substantial. So it's a slide one, but with, I like the ends. See that? Isn't that pretty? Ornate ends. Very pretty. What did I say? $3.65. Okay, I had to have the bear. Isn't he adorable? Oh my gosh. I hope I'm not moving around too much. Sorry, guys. $2.43. But look at all these little tiny pieces. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's that sunflower that I did. I did a couple cards, $3.24. And here's what they did with it. I might try that next. This makes such a neat card. Super easy. But I like that. I did mine sunflower, if you've seen that video. Into the cherries. So I got this sweet cherry. $3.47. And I think this one had a bunch of inspirational too. And then I got a stencil I'll show in a little bit, probably a different video. You guys are going to be sick of me. Yeah, I had more than one picture to go with it. And so here they are. They're good sized. And here's that one I showed you. And then they put them in, the bowl doesn't come with it, but Lord knows I probably have a bowl somewhere. Yeah, probably. Do you think? I bet I do. Yeah. Yep. Okay. But we're not here to guilt trip me. If you're watching because you enjoy my videos, then keep watching. Don't judge me. Okay. Then this one is a sunflower. Or daisy. Whichever. Depends on how you color it. Okay, Kim. I can do this. I'm ready to. My nails are showing the wear and tear. This is how long they last on me, though. So, that's pretty good. I had a request to do a video of me changing my nails. I don't know. It's kind of hard. But we'll see. I'll try. It's super easy. You just put them on. Before you put them on, you kind of smooth out with a sanding and then clean them off. Glue them down and bada bing. There's really nothing to it. Okay, so anyway. This is this cute little flower with the bees. You know what I mean? The bees. And here's the picture that I found to go with it. Because if I just have this in the package, that's not going to stand out to me. But if I have this with it, I'm going to go, oh, yeah. That's what I'm hoping anyway. That's my hope. But that's how that will work out. Okay. This might come out in a couple of different days because I think this is going to be more than 2 hauls. That's how bad it is. Okay, this one is a bunch of phrases, and those are always hard to read, right? And I would probably never use this, so look at this. I printed it out, so now I know what they say. Hello there, just a note, love you, happy birthday, you are amazing, thinking of you, and thank you. So, there's that. And that was $3.89. And then I have a thing about these pockets, and I'm into flowers right now. It's spring. They know what they're doing. And what did I pay for this? Oh, I didn't write it down. Oh, well. So there we go. Cute. Doesn't come, I don't think, with the hat. Well, wait a minute. I think it does come with words. I know, crinkle, sorry. Happy birthday. Okay, it does have that. Okay, I like it even better now. I just thought that was added on extra. Okay. I don't know how much I paid for that. Probably $3.89 or something. And then this one is super cute. Look at that. Oh, I just love that flower on top. So $3.17. $3.70. I really didn't need to do a picture, but it does a longer pocket. And the pocket, I think, would be, or envelope rather, would probably be about 5 1/4 in length and 3 1/8 width. I wanted to know that for myself, just saying. Sometimes I get comments like, why do you measure things? Well, because I'm curious, and sometimes it's hard to tell in these videos how big something is. So that's why I do that. Okay, I need to quit it with the flower. But look, you guys, look. And it's got bees again. Oh my god. Okay, $2.89. Not bad. So my goal is to start making stuff. I got to also work on my, what is it? My diamond press stuff. I did the basket, which was super fun. Took me a while, though, I gotta be honest. So these flowers, I think I already showed, I believe came from that die I showed earlier. But this is a circle, and I like that. So $3.15. Okay, now, stamps. This is a stamp and die set for $8.61 because it came with both. Isn't that pretty? So you get your stamps. And you get your dies. Oh, and stencils. Oh my gosh. Well, no wonder. I don't even know what I'm ordering. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to set that one aside. That's what I'm going to do right away. Then I got this stamp. Did I put a price? $4.54. See? I need to cool. I don't know if that's... I like these background ones, though. Okay. I do. I really do. I didn't print up pictures of this because it just, one, they just were black printed on white paper. So it's like, oh, I could show that. So that's the reason the paper's sitting here. Sorry. Isn't that pretty though? Oh my gosh. That'll be fun to color. That was $4.54. Okay. I don't really think that needs to be in an envelope, do you? And then look at this. Oh my gosh. So this stamp has in it words. I gotta show you. It's so cool looking. And then it says smile and let's see. See, okay, I'm not gonna fiddle with, but it has the words. So when they show it here with print in it, that's because that's on the stamp. I just love it. So it had all these different pictures that I could clip and copy. So I did that, and that was $3.29. I don't think that's too bad. Then I got this music note one. You know, me and my musics too. I like that. I used to play piano. I took piano lessons for 9 years. I probably couldn't even read it anymore. That's so sad. $3.56. I got pretty good at it back in the day, but I had an electric piano keyboard, and I just never used it. I think those days are behind me. Kind of sad. Then this didn't have an inspiration photo either, but you get the gist. It's bubbles. Aren't those cool? Oh my gosh. And that was $2.96. And then this one, You Are an Amazing Friend, and here's my inspiration one. I think this is like the penny black, right? But they're smaller. Anyway. Little hedgehogs. Come on, Kim. Use the paper you put out there. Oh my gosh, they're on a swing. They're together. Didn't you used to do that to your kids when they're fighting? Anyway. Little daisies. Cute. Little birthday dude. So yeah. Got that one. And that was $2.41. So those are, I believe, my stamps and dies that I have to share. And I will come back on with another video of other things. Stencils and stickers next. All right. See you in a bit. Bye.